Fulfillment by Amazon, or FBA, is a great way to grow your business and reach more customers. With FBA, Amazon stores your inventory, ships your orders, and handles returns and customer service. Your FBA products also become eligible for free shipping and 2-day delivery. This is a great way to maximize exposure and sales in the Amazon store. Sellers using FBA in the Amazon South Africa store can benefit from free monthly storage for all eligible FBA parent ASINs. Your FBA costs will depend on the products you sell and the exact services you use. You may also encounter fees related to storing and managing your FBA inventory. There are 3 tools you can use to estimate your potential FBA fees in Seller Central: the estimated fee per unit sold, the revenue calculator, and the fee preview report. To learn more about calculating your potential FBA fees, you can review our guide, Is FBA Right for You? In Seller Central.